Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining my course, TuskegeeRentals.com. And in this section, we're going to talk about what's your plan. You need to start thinking about and creating a plan if you want to invest in real estate. And I know that sounds overly simplistic, but without a plan, without a blueprint, you're really not going to get anywhere, or you may not achieve the goals that you desire. I'm not a big proponent of writing things down, but for me to make my project succeed, I did have to start writing things down. One of the first things you want to do is think about what you want to do. Set some goals. When I say think about what you want to do you just want to make money? Do you want to be an active property owner, property manager, an active landlord, or do you want to be passive about it? Is there some combination of that? Do you want to own a house, a duplex, an apartment? Um, just kind of start thinking about it. Okay. And in the thinking phases, maybe you don't really need to start writing things down, but okay, get yourself some post-it notes or something. Set your goals. What are your goals? If your goal is to get rich quick, this ain't it. But if your goals are to build a steady income stream with a certain amount of financial risk, then write that down, because you need to set and think about what your financial risk that you can bear. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, now I'm sorry, I am going to get into writing them down. I would say get yourself a notebook, cheap little notebook at the dollar store. Get yourself a bunch of post-it notes. Write everything down, everything that you think of. Carry the notebook with you everywhere you go, or put it someplace at your house or in your bedroom or living rooms, just someplace where you can get at it. Because a lot of times I have like these inspirational ideas, and I've always got a pen. I've actually got a pen and a pad in every room, and sometimes I end up combining, pulling pages, and keeping them all in one book. Um, so that I can look back on it. And yes, technology is great for helping you keep track of things, but I like pen and paper. There are some things, and there are going to be some spreadsheets that I'm going to show you later that you can use, but to start with, you've got to get your goals down in writing. Another reason why you want to put all this stuff in writing is because when you see it concretely on a written page, I think it can become more real for you. And it also gives you, make sure that you actually put a date on, each of your little notes, so you can kind of chart your own progress.